Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to concatenate multiple cells with line break in Excel worksheet with Kutools for Excel. To combine multiple cells with line break in Excel worksheet, here is a handy tool, Kutools for Excel. With its combine feature, you can quickly merge multiple rows, columns, or cells into one cell with any separator as you need. First, select the range of cells that you want to concatenate with line break. Click the Kutools tab. In the Range and Cells group, click the Merge and Split drop-down list and select Combine rows, columns, or cells without losing data. In the Combine columns or rows dialog box, please do the following operations. Select the combine type under the to combine selected cells according to following options. Select Combine columns. Then specify a separator to separate the combined cells. Here I will select New Line. In the Place the Results to section, choose one operation where you want to put the combined result. We'll select right cells and select the options that you want to deal with the combined cells. You can keep or delete the contents from those combined cells, and you can also merge those combined cells as well. I will select keep contents of combined cells, then click the OK button to close the dialog, and all the selected cells have been combined based on columns with line break, as you can see. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.